This is the first ever croissant pizza in Pampanga. And yes, you heard me right. Yung pizza daw niya is croissant. Eto at ginagawa na nila yung 5-cheese pizza. Una meron yung white sauce, and then meron cream cheese, parmesan, mozzarella, cheddar, at blue cheese. O diba, ang bongga? Eto namang carbonara pizza, meron ding white sauce, and then pecorino, mozzarella, honey smoked bacon, at meron ding egg. So kung mapapansin nyo yung traditional ingredients ng carbonara, nandito. Etong pangatlo naman also starts with white sauce and mozzarella, pero meron siyang spinach dip at honey smoked bacon. And if only you were here para maamoy nyo kung gaano sila kabango habang binibake, grabe. Una nating titikman ay yung may bacon and spinach. At yung katerno niyan ay spicy honey. Alam mo yung very simple and delicate lang yung flavors pero well pronounced. Kaya na-appreciate mo talaga. And then just look at that flaky croissant pizza dough. It really gives a different kind of experience. Up next naman natin ay yung carbonara pizza. And by the way, isa-spread natin